Back out shoveling today and then again this weekend.
Yes, and I'm telling you, you need to get it up after that Friday night into Saturday system, because then we go well below freezing for an extended period of time. So that's just going to stay there, and it's also going to be cloudy, so the sun's not going to help you out either. So that's our best advice to you. But let me kind of break down a timeline here. We have early snow showers this morning. Tomorrow's system is clearly much larger of a system with hazardous travel expected, especially Friday evening through Saturday morning, followed by Arctic blast of cold air. That is going to bring wind chill values well below zero. But right now, as you're heading out the door, I am tracking the most intense part of this quick little clipper system. It is rolling its way through Waukesha County and now just getting into Milwaukee County. So it's falling at a good clip. It will be covering the roads, and it has brought 1 to 2 inches of that, moderate to even a little bit more fluff to the snow. It's not like it was on Tuesday. You can see in Brookfield, I showed you this earlier where we had the tire tracks there, and you can obviously tell that now that the snow has continued to fall, we do have that kind of covered back up. So that is something that you may encounter as you are shoveling this morning. You might have another layer to pick up when you get home tonight. 28 degrees right now. The snow continues in Oconomowoc with temps now near 28 degrees, and it's just kind of dancing and flying around right now in Milwaukee as temperatures are near 34. So we have slick spots out this morning. This does include freeways. This does include your neighborhood and also those side streets. Temperatures now near the airport at 34. Have the snow boots today. That's going to be your best friend. We clear up going into the afternoon. Winter coats also going to be helpful today, but that's our winter system that's on the way. It is going to bring in moisture and slingshot it up to much of southeast Wisconsin. Does that sound familiar? Same thing happened on Tuesday. The difference with this system versus Tuesday is the track is cheating a bit more north, and there's a lot more wind with this one. And not only that, a lot more colder wind coming in from the northwest. That is going to 100% change how this system reacts to Lake Michigan. So here we go. Here's 10 o'clock in the morning, and we are already in the thick of it. We have an easterly wind. I do expect there to be moments where we go back and forth with precip type, because when you have an easterly wind, that's going to happen. But watch that wind. It gradually will be turning to the north and west as that low approaches. Look at how dark the snow looks here on this map. That indicates a heavier snow band associated with that area of low pressure. And we are just in the thick of it for a good chunk of tomorrow. I'm telling you, your evening commute is not going to be great. If you can leave work early, I would absolutely recommend that, especially as we could even be tapping in on some lake effect snow that will be enough to overcome some of that warm air. And if you notice the wind coming in from a different direction, that is key into making this not the same thing that happened on Tuesday. Behind that, you do get some mixing, especially near Chicago, but we do stay in that dark blue color for quite a while leading into your Saturday. So this is how I think is going to pan out with the information that I have right now. 2 to 9 a.m. on Friday, we do get some snow that does start to the west, moves its way to the northeast. There could be some heavy bursts during this time that could easily give you a quick 1 to 3 inches. We will warm up. This system is going to warm up, and we could have some snow and mixing going on from 9 to 1. Then 1 to 11, that is the worst time. That's going to be the heavy snow, wind, and blizzard-like conditions with 3 to 6 inches falling during that time. And then overnight into Saturday, we have that blowing snow, dangerous travel, and it will taper off. You can see the snowfall map here. Still looking at a 6 to 10, and that's because of the way that low is moving and wrapping around that colder air. Even though the lake is still in the 40s, that cold air coming in from the north does change how it reacts. So you can see we have 2 alert days back to back. So we have an impact day this morning for the early light snow. We have the alert day for Friday for the heavy snow. And then Saturday, we have dangerous conditions that will continue with the wind. After that, we have the Arctic blast. So make sure that you are staying tuned to Weather Watch 12 for all the updates. I'll go live on Facebook later today. If you have questions, that's a good time to ask.